Hey guys, this is Sagat from KAYHAN Audio. Welcome to this exciting fresh new hands-on video for the 9.6-inch version 2 head unit for the Ford BA, BF and Territory. This unit has the best of the best specifications than any other units we've ever built, backing up with Full HD 1080p display with Nano Film technology, Android 8.1 Oreo, 2.6 GHz 8-core turbo processor, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, and so on. This is your default homepage where you have apps like music, radio, video, navigation, settings, dimmer for display brightness, easy connection for mirroring, and Bluetooth. Our unit comes with the DSP function that allows manual control over the sounds you hear from its speakers. You can select any inbuilt presets or adjust them manually to get the most out of it. You can also adjust other settings like surround sound, bass boost, zone and bass filter, and so on. Moving along to radio, you can listen, save the stations, and even have an option to upgrade your radio with our DAB+ that enables your unit to grab digital radio signals with high selection of station at an exceptional audio quality. It is also equipped with a video player too, where you can download videos onto the unit and watch it. It also supports picture-in-picture feature, where the video keeps on playing on the side whilst enabling you to perform any other tasks like navigation. It is also equipped with iGo Maps that has an offline navigation system with spoken street names and points of interest. Easy to navigate, efficient to use. You can also change the wallpaper onto your home screen to your liking. Just simply locate any picture that you'd want, adjust it, and simply set it. This is our app page, where you can download any app that the Play Store has to offer. Tap on the App Store, find any app that suits your needs, and simply install it. With huge amount of app selection on the Play Store, it allows you to get apps like YouTube, Spotify, any banking apps, Uber Eats, and guess what? Service surfers as well. Powered by Bluetooth 4.1, the unit can connect to your phone's Bluetooth to download contacts, make calls, and even tether internet as well.